Hi, today I will show you how to onboard a carrier using the Trucker Cloud API. There are three endpoints involved: the invitation, the onboard, and the sign up. In the invitation, we pass the carrier information as parameters. We need a code type, which can be the dot or MC number, or by TC ID, which is the Trucker Cloud ID for that carrier. We also need the code itself and a contact email. Once we hit this endpoint, we'll get the carrier and the invitation information. Inside the invitation, you will find the invitation token, which we'll use to make the onboarding call. And there's also the ELD info block, which includes all the details for which services are available on each ELD. Vehicle and location is available for all ELDs, but other features like driver and hours of service might be disabled for some ELDs. And it also includes the type of credentials we'll need to add on the onboarding step. Once we know which ELDs we want to use, in this case we'll do an onboarding for Motive and Big Road, we'll use these objects as a reference to build our request object in the invitation endpoint. There, we need to add the invitation token as a parameter, and in our body request object, we'll add the details, one object for each ELD we need. In the ELD data sharing, we'll mark the flags as true or false for each detail you want available on our platform. And on the ELD metadata params, we'll add the credentials corresponding to the respective ID from the original ELD info block. After we hit the endpoint with all of this information, we'll get a response indicating if the credentials worked correctly. If that's the case, the carrier will have been onboarded successfully, and we'll just need to use the invitation token on the signed up endpoint to close the invitation process and disable the token.